In a dusty antique shop, Emma found an old typewriter. That night she tried to write a story, but the keys moved on their own, spelling out chilling messages. I'm still here. Each page she typed revealed secrets from her past, things she never told anyone. The next morning, she tried to throw it away, but it reappeared on her desk. Terrified, Emma typed, "Stop," but the typewriter replied, "Never." Now, every night, it forces her to write, trapping her in its haunted tale. Enjoyed this story? Follow for more, share with a friend, and drop 3 ghosts if you dare.